and respect, man. Much love and respect. You know, we pride ourselves in representing the people that deserves the spot, that deserves the platform. Because I usually say this to my boss, man. This radio station was found by him, but it's not his. And he would crack when I say that, but it's an actual truth. It's an actual truth. He found it, but it's not for him. It's for every one of us.
He didn't do it for himself.
Yes, sir.
He alone, he wouldn't. Without you, he wouldn't.
That's true. Before we close the segment off, are there any last words you would like to just share to everyone out there? It could be your listeners, could be the people that's been there with you from when your day one up until now and far on, my brother.
Yeah, there's a lot I can say. There's a lot, but if you want, check out ABT, on my social media platforms. Yeah, I would like to thank everyone who's been there for me. Yeah, since I started this journey, everyone who's been there musically, spiritually, people from my church, people that I went to school with, Egutu Lady Primary School in Zone 3, Secondary School in Zone 14, Sibuke.